So guys, this is part 2 of the Notion tutorial. So what I'm going to do is to show you how to create checklist, not just ordinary checklist, reusable checklist, so that when you are done using it, you can reset it and use it for another purpose. So looking at my screen now, you can see I'm on my Notion. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. So the first thing we want to do is to come to private here. You can do it for any either on team space or favorite, but let's use or team space or private. So let's use private. So if you look at the private, we have this plus icon here. So click it to add a new page. So we'll have a new page. So what we want to do is to give it a name. Checklist. So after that, what we want to do is to use the command. So we'll use / database. So we'll select database in line. So after we have done selecting database in line, so we can rename the database to, you can say, checklist. So after that, what we want to do is to go to this new. You can see this drop down arrow, click it, then new template. Then on new template, hover above this new page, you will see add icon. Then choose add icon. Then go to icons. Then search for check. So you can see different type of check. You can use any one. So let's use this one. After that, then choose color. Then click away to close it. After that, click on the same arrow again. Then you can see this new icon that you added with new page. Then go ahead and click this these three icons here. Then select set as default. After that, select for all views in checklist. Then click away to close it. Everything is ready to go now. So the next thing we want to do is to add what? Subject. You can give it a name, whatever you want to call it, but let's call it subject. After that, we want to add additional property, which is what? That checkbox. You can see checkbox here. Add checkbox. Then checkbox is here already. So the checkbox, you can call it complete or whatever you wish to call it. Then after that, what you can do is you can decide to check or change the icon for each of these ones. So to change the icon, you can click that AA there. Then you can give it anything. Then after that, you start to add your properties now. Let's say this one is market structure. Market structure. You can see the other one. We can say change in the state of delivery. You can see. Then the other one we can say entry. You can see that we have our checkbox, everything. So now let's switch it up. So what we'll do is let's go to settings here. You can see settings. Go to settings, then go to layout. Then on layout, change it to from table, change it to list. You can see we are now in the list mode. So from here, what we want to do is go back, go to property visibility, click it. Then you can see that complete is hidden. What we want to do is to turn it on. Then it is already showing. So you can just click and click. So from here, what we want to do is we can customize this home page by adding icon. We can add icon like this. I hope you are following. Then add cover. The cover is loading actually. Okay, we have cover. So from here, what we can do again is, since we have put everything, let us now add the button to help us to to reset everything. So click enter to give it a space. Then you can add three dashes to create a divider. Let's use two divider to make it look nice. Then from here, what we want to do is we want to write /button, then select button. Then from here, give it a name. We can call it reset. Then change the icon to this clockwise. You can write it. If for the first time you will not see it, so what you need to do is to search for arrow. When you see arrow, then you can choose any one you want here. Okay, let's say arrow clockwise. We can use this one. You can use any one you want. Okay, from here, let us give it the command. Now when button is clicked, then add the action here. The action we want the button to perform. Edit pages in. Okay, from here, edit pages in, we need to select from which of the data source. So we want to click checklist. From the checklist now, we want to select the property we want to edit. So which of the property? We want to edit complete. So we choose complete. So from the complete now, what do we want to do in the complete? We want to uncheck. Can you see it? It is already there, but we want to uncheck. So you must click uncheck. Make sure the uncheck is clicked. Then you click done. So after that, the next thing you need to do is you can check these ones, check them, then try to check if everything is working. Then just click reset. Okay, it is working. You can see, you can select it again to be sure it is working. Then go back and set and click reset. So you can see that everything is working. So this is how you can create a checklist in Notion. I hope this video is very insightful. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm will send this video to multiple audience and other people who want to create their own checklist.